How's it going?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
We are chasing to look and there.
I know there's like firemen
fire.
everywhere.
Yeah.
I got curious as well. I had to come suss it out.
Sorry?
I got curious. I had to come suss it out as well.
Yeah, David saw it when he got, he did not really know. David saw it when he got the
Oh.
call.
Oh, wow. Did he get a call?
No, David, when he get call outside, that's why he sees it.
Wow.
I wonder how.
Oh my goodness. It's a car.
Did the fire siren go?
No, the fire siren never went off.
I see smoke. Smoke out the back.
Wow, there is smoke out the back of the house. Holy moly. So the house right next to the fire, the street light, there's actually smoke coming from the back there, guys. The fire alarm never went off. I live just like, not like, if the fire alarm went off, I'd be so within earshot. So did you guys not hear the fire alarm either?
No. No, I was only getting cold. And I seen the lights flashing through the gap in the trees.
Oh, wow.
There's some smoke over there. See, coming out of the house. That
Yeah,
house
yeah, I
there?
see it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's insane. There's water like leaking from the... So they must already be pumping water in there.
That noise looks like they're pulling iron off the roof. See that?
Yeah, yeah, the smoke's getting worse. Far out.
Still going, whatever it is. Yeah, that's ripping iron off the roof, isn't it?
Wow, that's really loud.
I wonder if it's chimney fire.
No.
People are like yelling. Far out. That's a massive fire. I'm going to see if I can see it from around the other side. Oh, there's people standing up there, so I guess we're allowed up there to watch. I'll just go stand by the group of people. Follow this guy in front of me. My neighbour's behind me, that's funny. Oh my gosh. The shed. Oh my god.
Fireworks, and then the kids run out. Next thing I know, walking up, there's fireworks and fire on.
Fire. I don't. Oh my
So
gosh.
on this one, that's their backward shed. So
Oh,
at the
okay.
back of the house, they've got like a carport, and then
Oh,
there's a
okay.
shed at the back of it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kids letting off fireworks in the shed. Oh my gosh.
Because we had a couple of bangs, and I even said to the kids, I was like, "Do you want to hear that banging?" And then next thing you know,
Wow.
Did the fire siren go?
no, that's what we were just talking about. There was no fire, so we're thinking maybe someone had seen it, like driven past it, or part of the fire. But yeah, nobody said it.
I was standing up because I seen the lights flash and all that, and I went out and had a look. I actually seen a fireman walking past the house.
Yeah, I seen the fireman too. Yeah.
He walked to the fire.
We're supposed to have a meteor shower tonight, so I've been keeping an eye on the sky. And yeah, next minute I see these fellas out there.
Well, you're lucky that actually the clouds have dissipated, because
Yeah.
they did not look good for that.
Far out.
Fast response, like they got it out pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. Oh, it's definitely chilly.
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness you guys act pretty quick.
Yeah.
No, I only seen you guys walking past the house.
Oh, right.
No, we could see it because we're like straight at the end of the lane, and we could see it above the flickers above the actual roof line. So.
Far out. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was different. I'm just literally following this fireman back down the road because like I live so close. Well guys, that was really different. So just a quick rundown. I went outside because I don't know, there was just something happening outside, and a fireman was walking down the road, and my neighborhood, just like everybody is just down there watching. And so it's just around the corner, about a block away, a bunch of kids were in the back shed letting off fireworks, and their back shed caught on fire. So hopefully no one got hurt and you guys are alright if you happen to see this. I suppose just lucky these firefighters are really quick and not too far away from where the actual fire was. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified of my new uploads, and I'll catch you next time because that was crazy.